You understand that HIMS is a pharmacy, right? It's not a pharmaceutical company. It's very different. I'm dying. It'll make medicine, right? Right. So they're not in the same industry. They're like fundamentally different industries. One is a manufacturer, one is a producer. I don't know how much. I don't know if you realize how much market share HIMS has in pharmacy. I hate to tell you this. Do you know how much revenue the U.S. pharmaceutical industry does? And you might want to look it up. HIMS isn't exactly a major player quite yet. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't see what difference it would make to Pharma who distributes their product. Right now, HIMS might get to 1% market share in 2030. Right now, they're 0.5% market share. Not even HIMS management thinks they're gonna be 2 or 3% market share soon. So I think you're just off here. You're conflating two things. Walgreens did not go bankrupt at all. But okay, it doesn't matter who pharma sells their drugs through. That's not competition. That's supplier, distributor. Pharma is a supplier to distributors. The distributors sell the product to the end user. It doesn't make a difference. Who does that? It's a low margin business. Well, distributing drugs is a low margin business. HIMS tries not to be in that business. HIMS tries to be in uh, some weird other business where they buy generics and mark them up at high prices. That's not really what the business Pharma is in. I mean, I think you need to go do some research on the pharma industry. 30 racks a day, god damn. Drug distribution is low margin. HIMS isn't really doing drug distribution. They're doing some weird, bizarre thing. They're taking drugs that are a couple dollars and charging $20 for them. Now, I'm sure that is a great business to be in for a couple of drugs, but it's going to be hard to do that for all the drugs. I don't think that's going to be too easy. That's why Walgreens has such low margins. Now, if everyone's going to get all their drugs from HIMS, that's fantastic, but I don't know if they're going to get them at a great margin like that. That would bankrupt America. HIMS would be the biggest company ever existed. Ask Marie, but they manufacture them. They have intellectual property. That's why they make all the. Yeah, 503B isn't exactly. Yeah, it's a little tough to scale that business. You really can't get around the FDA. Yeah, Cardinal Cup, I think, has it right there. Oh, I sold all our hymns and went short at 60. I covered it when it went back down, but I mean, it's not good news. It's a good company, but they have to get through this, obviously. I don't know if they can grow globally or not. Yeah, retail pharmacy has a definitely a problem with theft. It's already a low margin business. Online pharmacy is pretty competitive. HIMS differentiates itself by selling, certain kinds of products. Mostly vanity, sexual related. boom, 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 boom. I don't see the rush on HIMS. I mean, there's a lot about this business we don't know. You know, I like to swing at the fat pitches when I know the risk reward's pretty good for me. Right now, I don't know what's happening with that business. We just got a 30% change.